Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Home Kitchen, where I do family friendly recipes that everyone can enjoy. So today's video is for stuffed pork fillet. Sit back, relax and enjoy, and thanks for watching. Now we take a pork fillet and we slice it through. Now we don't slice it right through, we leave about a centimetre from the bottom. We'll slice it just along, and this is the crevice for where we're going to add our stuffing. Now we'll season it with some black pepper. Don't be adding any salt to it because the stuffing has enough salt in it. Then we'll take 2 cloves of garlic and we'll just crush them. Then we'll take them and we'll rub them in both sides of the pork fillet. Make sure you turn it over, make sure you get it all covered with the garlic and the black pepper. Now we'll set that to the side and we'll take some pork sausages. We'll just take the skin off them and we'll pop them into a bowl. Now to this then we're going to add some more garlic, some pine nuts which have been toasted, some dried parsley, and some dried basil. We're just going to give that a quick mix around. Then we're going to bring back in our pork fillet, and then we'll just stuff it with the pork sausage meat mixture. Now make sure it's evenly spread along because it will be cooking in the oven and you don't want some of it cooked and some of it raw. Now folks, if you're enjoying my videos, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. It does help the channel and it means I can make further videos for you. So we'll roll the pork fillet up, just cover all the stuffing in, and then we'll take some butcher's twine and we'll just tie it up. So I just take 3 bits, one at each end and one in the middle. Just tie it fairly tightly just to keep all the stuffing in. Trim off the long bits, you don't want it hanging over when you're cooking it. Now we'll take our pork fillet and we'll go over to a large frying pan. We'll pop it onto a medium-high heat and we'll spray it with some low-calorie cooking oil. Then we'll pop the pork fillet in. We'll cook it for 4 to 5 minutes on each side, just until it's slightly browned on the outside. As I say, we'll do this for all 4 sides, just to make sure that there's no pink showing. Then we'll take it over to a preheated oven. It's been heated to 180 degrees centigrade or 160 fan. We'll pop it in the oven and we'll cook it for 35 to 40 minutes, just until it's fully cooked. Now use a meat thermometer, and anything above 75 degrees centigrade is cooked, but if not, you can just cut it open and make sure that there's no pink left. So now it's time to serve our stuffed pork fillet. So just cut the string off, slice it through. Now folks, if you've enjoyed this video for stuffed pork fillet, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Again, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in my further videos.